What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a level 1 to 2 charger that you can use to take along with you or keep in your garage for your electric vehicle. So let's get this open so we can get a look at it. Now, as an EV owner, the one thing that I really appreciate is when brands have their EV chargers packed in a nice bag like this. This bag is actually well made. It's high quality. Some bags can be really flimsy. You have this handle here, so this way that taking this along with you, maybe if you just want to have something to keep in your car or you're going on a road trip, this is going to be great to have, and it stores away nice and neat. So once we get this open, we see that we have the charger right here. Let's get this out. This is the way the charger looks. It comes with this NEMA 1450 adapter. So this is what's going to give you your fastest charging speed. So you get up to 40 amps. So if you have this connection in your garage, you'll be able to get that faster speed. If not, you can go ahead and plug this into your 110 and you can still be able to charge your vehicle. Now in the bag, you're also going to get your user manual for the charger. And then also you have instructions for the app, because you can also control the different functions and monitor what's going on with your charging through their app. This allows you to have more flexibility over your charging, to set your times, also to set the currents, so that way you are more efficient when charging your vehicle. Now, this charger is going to be for Tesla vehicles or for vehicles who also have adapted the NACS connection. So to let you know how that looks, if you're not a Tesla owner or if this is your first time looking at a EV charger, this is what you call a NACS connection. So basically it's going to be the charging port that normally comes on your Teslas. Some other vehicles are adapting this, but this is great because you don't need an adapter. So that's what's going to be really good about this charger. Also, if you're a Tesla owner, what's really handy is whenever you have a charger that really works with the car just like the other OEM devices. So what I mean by that is whenever you press this button right here, it automatically opens up the charger door. So it's touchless. You just press that button. It recognizes, hey, it's time to charge. You can plug it in and then you can get charged. Now on the charger itself, it's going to have this nice LED screen. It's going to give you your readout of, how the current, how many amps, the time, the duration. You also will be able to set all of that by touching the amps or the current. You can also delay the charger from starting by selecting the delay button, and that will start the charge once it reaches that specific time. Now on here at the bottom, this is going to be an adapter. So this way you can, if you want, have this on the wall or on a pedestal, so you can have this nice and neat and organized if you like. One good thing that I like about this charger as well is that if you don't have your user manual and you're new to all of this, the instructions is right on the back of the unit itself. So once again, this is going to have the capability of charging from level 1 to level 2. That means from a start of 6 amps all the way up to 40 amp max or 240 volts. So it gives you flexibility there. This comes with a 20-foot cord, so you'll be able to reach your vehicle in most instances in your garage or outside. Also, once again, this is a NEMA 1450 connection, and you also have the NEMA 515 connection for your charging options. This is also weatherproof. You can keep this outside or in the extreme cold, rainy days, or in the heat. And also there's built-in protection for surge, overcurrent, overheat protection. That's all built into the unit itself. So it's going to protect the unit and also protect your vehicle. So once again, guys, this is going to be the level 2 charger for your Tesla or NACS compatible vehicle. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.